To start, let's remove this engine cover, and the first thing I want to do is go through this little slot right here. You see I'll have my ratchet. There's a clamp right here that connects the intake, which is part of this engine cover, to the throttle body, and with an 8mm socket you can loosen up the clamp if you go just at the right angle in here. Loosen it up enough to be able to unlatch the cover and the tubing there from the throttle body. I'm going to undo this clamp here as well. Take this and pull it back. Okay, remove the oil fill cap, set that aside. Now you can take the engine cover, pull it up, get it out of the way. There's a hose attached to it right here. Pull the clamp off, break the hose free, and disconnect it. Now you can set this aside. I like to put the oil fill cap back, that way no debris can make its way in here. To replace this vapor canister purge solenoid valve, I'd like to disconnect it first, get this out of the way. While I'm back here, I'm going to push on this little tab to unlock the line that goes into it, pull it back, and then at the front here has a little clip. Pull that down, pull this line back. Stick a screwdriver in here. I'll show you in a second what you want to do. Get this kind of up and out of your way like that. Basically what has to happen is you have to press down on this little tab here. That'll let go of this tab that locks in this assembly. Now get your new one. Try to slide it on here. Press it in all the way until it's locked on. There we go. Press it all the way. Just to start reconnecting things. Connect the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks. Reconnect this hose in the back and this hose in the front. Make sure that clicks. Perfect. Before we get the engine cover on, I'm going to go ahead and pull the oil fill cap. And then we have this hose over here that needs to be connected. So slide it on almost kind of into position. Reconnect your hose. I had a hose clamp. Don't forget to put that on. Line it up with the throttle body. Once it lines up, you'll be able to press it on all the way. Make sure that this lines up. Next, press it onto the back and then put on your oil fill cap. That way no debris can potentially make its way in there. Snug up the hose clamp on the throttle body. Don't over tighten it, but do make sure that it is nice and snug. Okay, and snug this one up over here. Perfect.